Mr. Law, Mr. Law.
Oh, yes.
Let me help you there. It's like this.
Oh, Miss Uriarte, you're smart.
Hey, kids, and welcome to this episode of Mr. Uriarte, You're a Smarty. All right, let's get started. Today, we're going to be taking a look at how to find the perimeter of a closed geometric figure. All right, the first thing I want you to do is to pause this video and go get a piece of paper to follow along. Go. All right, welcome back. Let's get started. Okay, first off, let's take a look at what perimeter is. Perimeter is the line or boundary of a closed geometric figure. So the boundary of the figure is the space around it. So, and the closed figure is this. This is a closed figure. All the sides close in on each other. So they're all connected. This is an open figure. We still have four sides, but if you notice here, we have a gap where the sides aren't touching. This is an open figure. So today we're just going to be taking a look at how to find the perimeter around a closed geometric figure. Also today, we're going to be using a mathematical formula. We're going to start using formulas, so this is going to be fun. And with formulas, we use letters as well as numbers to help us. So today's formula for helping us find perimeter of a closed figure is this. We're going to start by doing P equals S plus S plus S. Now the P stands for perimeter. The S stands for sides. So if I have four sides to my closed figure, I will have four S's. If I have 7 sides to my figure, I'll have 7 S's. So how many sides I have will determine how many S's I have in my formula. All right, let's get started. So let's take a look at some of our figures right here. I have our first figure right here. It's a square. So we want to find the perimeter around the square. So I'm going to go P equals, now I have 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, so I have 4 S's in my formula. S plus S plus S plus S. All right, now I need to take a look at the sides. Now if I don't have the measurement there, I will have to get my ruler and measure. But here I have it. I have 5 centimeters. So it's 5 centimeters up here. Now this is a square. What do we know that's special about squares? Well, squares all have the same sides equal. We also have these hatch marks. The hatch marks tell us that this side is the same as any other side that has the same number of hatch marks. So this side has 1 hatch mark. So that means it's going to be the same as any other side that has 1 hatch mark. They're all the same. So I've started off my formula. P equals S plus S plus S plus S. So now it's time to plug in those numbers. So I'm going to go P equals, well, this side is 5, plus this side is 5, plus this side, plus that side. So that's my second line to my formula. It's time to do my third line. P equals, now I just add up my formula. P equals 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. So P equals 20. Now I'm not finished. It's not just 20, it's 20 centimeters. So I have to put the centimeters in there. All right, let's do it again. This time let's do this one. Let's start with our formula. Now we have 3 sides, so I'm going to write my formula like this. I'm going to go P equals side plus side plus side. I used 3 S's because I have 3 sides. All right, so let's get ready for the second line in our formula. Now, this is a triangle, and my one side here is 3 meters. Now I know that all the sides are the same because I have that hatch mark telling me so. All right, so I have 3 plus 3 plus 3. So my perimeter equals 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Now I'm not done. I have to put that M in for meters. If I don't put that M in, I haven't finished my answer. All right, let's try our last one. We have our next figure, And we have 4 sides to that figure. Now this one's a little more complicated because we have different measurements on the side. So first, starting off with our formula, we have P equals side plus side plus side plus side. 4 S's for 4 sides. Now, I have 5 centimeters here, and I have 7 centimeters here. Now, I have 2 hatch marks here and 2 hatch marks there. I have 1 hatch mark here and 1 hatch mark here. Well, remember, the hatch marks tell me that the sides that have the same number of hatch marks are the same. Well, this side is 5 centimeters, so this one is 5 centimeters as well. This one is 7 centimeters, so this one is 7 centimeters as well. So now let's plug in the numbers. P for perimeter equals 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7. Okay. Our last line to our formula, P equals 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7, which will give us 24. Now it's not just 24, it's 24 centimeters. All right, so we've had 3 different figures and we've used our formula P equals S plus S plus S to help figure out what the perimeter is. All right, it's time for show what you know. That's right, you need to go and show someone what you just learned. You need to go show your mother, your father, your brother, your dog. It doesn't matter. You need to show them this formula and how you find out perimeter. Tell them what a perimeter is. All right, now I have work for you to do at home. And when you come back, I would like that work ready. All right, good luck.
You're going to want to pause here so you can copy out all 6 of these questions. Go back and review the video so you know what to do. Use the formula to figure out the perimeter of these questions. Now the last one's a little bit of a trick one. You have the lengths of some of the sides, and I gave you the perimeter. So since I gave you the perimeter and you have some of the sides, I want you to see if you can solve the length of the mystery side. Good luck.
Oh, Mrs. Smarty.
Mr. Smarty, you're Uriarte.